This is my first Leetcode question, twoSum. Given an array of integers, nums and an integer target, return the indexes of two numbers such that they add up to target. And you may assume that each input would have same exactly one solution, and you will not use the same element twice, and we will return the answer in any order. In first example, they give us a nums array and a target 9. So we have to add two numbers and the sum of that number should be equal to target 9, and we have to return the indexes of those two numbers. Here is 7 plus 2 equal to 9, and our output is 0 and 1 because first number index is 0 and the second number index is 1. So if we see in array 7 and 2, sum of these two numbers is only equal to 9. So if we add these two numbers, their sum is not equal to 9. Similarly, the same case is here. So only the sum of these two numbers 7 and 2 is equal to 9, and we have to return the indexes of these two numbers. So here let's see, they give us a num array 3, 2 and 4 and the target value is 6. Now we need to add two numbers from this array whose sum is equal to target value. So let's look, if we add 2 and 4, the sum is equal to 6, which is exactly equal to target value. And if we look the indexes of these two numbers, then its index of 3 is 0 and index of 2 is 1 and index of 4 is 2. So then our output is 1 and 2. Let's see by run the code. So let me explain the code. Here I use a variable n and store the length of nums. Then I use the nested loop. The first outer loop for loop for I in range n-1, it iterates over the indexes of nums from 0 to n-2. This is because I is the last index. There is no need to pair it with any other index since there is no index behind it. For j in range I plus 1, n, this ensures that j is always ahead of I in the list. So if num I plus num j is equal to target, then return I and j. So its time complexity is n because of nested loop. So if no pair is found after the loop have completed, then the function implicitly returns none. Since Python function without an explicit return statement returns none. So this code is working correctly and now it's accepted. Thank you.